Each day, more than 30 million tons of goods move through the United States. The very things that keep you fed, clothed, and connected. Because of suppliers, manufacturers, shippers, and receivers. Supply chain careers offer competitive salaries, health benefits, and many opportunities for career growth. Every day is exciting, different, and rewarding. So whether you envision yourself making candy, working with robotics, flying planes, or overseeing it all from a big office boardroom, dream big. A career in supply chain awaits.